Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to see an Instagram story without being seen. In here, we're going to use two Instagram accounts. One who posted the story and the other one who wants to see the story. We'll log in first to the one who posted the story. So let's open the Instagram app. As you can see, a story is already posted on this account. Now we'll switch to the other account. This is the account we're going to use to check the story without being seen. First, we'll put our phone into airplane mode. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned off. Now let's go back to Instagram. Once you made sure you're on airplane mode and your Wi-Fi is turned off, check the story. Once you're done checking the story, make sure to close the tabs that you opened. Tabs are closed, so we can now turn on our Wi-Fi and turn off the airplane mode. Go back to Instagram. And then to check if we are seen viewing the story, we'll go back to the account where we posted the story. Now let's check the story. Now, as you can see in here, no viewers. And that's how to see Instagram story without being seen. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.